Yo guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing Will You Press the Button.com. So, first question, you get all video games for free. But there's a fucking catch. That's what's up with these games. Comments have been improved by self-advertised. Nice. We get all video games for free, but you will hate all of them. Huh. No, I'll press it, because I can sell them. What are the things say? Get them all, sell them for money, and get all of them for money. And then sell them for I have no life already, but that's not the part. Oh shit. Okay. That's a good one actually. 74% did not. Oh crap, I pressed it, didn't I? Yeah. You get to take any video game character you want, but everyone else in the video game will hate you. Tricky question. I go out with Kinsey or Shawnee from Saints Row, but then Johnny and them would hate me. Unless I go out with Johnny. What has this channel turned into? I could go out with Johnny, and then he'd just be like, "Fuck you bitches, I like him," and shoot everyone because Johnny gets crazy. I'll press it. 63% people have burst this button, while 37% do not. See how it does, everyone knows that I use to epic fights to keep me busy and on board. Shell from Portland. I met my G-Man in The Sims and dated him. I had to even go and play a game. I just picked him up. Game my head. It's just good. There aren't many questions. Android app on Google Play and Windows Phone. I don't know what that is. Right? You win $1 million. You can never use a smartphone / device again. It's quite hard because I use this, and I could use the $1 million to buy something different to record. Or is this to buy? Does that mean like PCs and Xboxes? What the fuck is? I get 1 million. I can just buy everyone. Don't buy people, guys. That is not how life works. Until I can fucking see this video. Do not buy people, honestly. It doesn't work. No, your computer is not broken. I'm staring at the screen like this. Okay. Yeah, fuck it, press the button. 48% people have pressed this button. Well, 52% did not. Comments. There's seriously no comments? Huh? Yeah, that's kinda good, I suppose. Even if they're bad, I'd probably press good. Meet your favourite artist / artists. You can get more than one, yeah. That's a weird sign to do. But he / she hate you. Wait, does that mean the artist is a painting artist? I don't care if they fucking hate me. Yeah, I'll press it. I think I've pressed it for everyone now. There might be some that tend to hate you. Maybe. That's a good one. Sundari, yeah. Might be tend to fucking hate you. There's always a loophole on these things. Like you loop over. Oh, that hurt. I didn't loop around it. You find your perfect life partner, become fabulously wealthy. You can never have children, natural or adopted. This has improved. I saw Jacksepticeye play this, and he just said you can never have children for some questions. Yeah, I don't want children anyway. Children are evil. They're supposed to be downside. Money live in peace, sign me up. Everybody's on the same god. Fuck children. I'm a child. Oh shit, well, I'm a teenager, so. You get a job that pays 10,000. Oh shit, what have I done? I've accidentally clicked it, I think. You will die from the. Oh, fuck it, doesn't. Yeah, you get a job. Your job is to eat shit from birds. That's a bad one. Who the fuck wants to eat shit? Surface swirl up. A surface swirl up. You'll be one of the world's prettiest persons. You'll smell like absolute shit. I'm not fucking swearing. It says it on that. Well, like I just saw. Like he says, you will smell like shit. How fucking person? There goes my water. I'm pretty. Also, just take a fucking shower, lol. I'm good at it. Let me call shit one. Oh, loophole. Fuck was that? That's the thing. I'm probably. Hey. I'll probably start up a Lewis Sing soon. Don't wear headphones. How long? And I can just clean myself. You go to soup, not soap and water problems. I suppose it's quite good. Some people know about perfume Queen Gold Shield. Would you be the hottest person in the world? But only be able to pick up the ugliest people alive. Oh. Now there's a thing. I'd be the hottest person in the world, but all the ugly people want me. What does ugly stand like for? Like freckles or what? Because you know, some people have a freckle fetish. You never know. So I'll click that button. I have not clicked, I will not, but okay. 22% half, 78% not. Fancy must have passed this long. Oh my god. Oh no. My comment like it's on the inside the account. That's the thing. Wouldn't be stupid. So, well, I'll let the girls pick me up then. Oh. But you're only able to ask good one. That's a fucking good one right there. 8 minutes of it. The last one recorded for like 10 minutes, so no, 12 minutes, so we should be good. You can never die. At random times throughout the day, you will be in severe pain and your random words and phrases uncontrollably. My life. Oh, more people did not. Oh, I just felt good. I didn't look at the what am I even doing right now? I didn't look at the comments. Things down here. Yeah, things down there. Comments. Reading your comments part 2. It's coming. Even if it comes tomorrow, because right now, 23:49. It's still coming. I got some more comments as well. One from you, Leo Taylor. I know you're watching this. At least not right now, but I know you will be watching this when I send you the link. You get to live the life of a celebrity, but what the fuck was that? You have to become either Freddie Mercury, Kurt, or I'd be Kurt Cobain, or Chris Farley, who died the same exact time like they did. Oh, fuck it, I just died at the same time they did. Yeah, I don't know why I was looking down there. Mercury is fabulous. Well, this is dumb. But I'm already famous. Good. We got the power to see through solid objects, but you can no longer see through translucent. Whoa. You know why I'm doing this? You can't see through windows. You can see through solid. Oh, that'd be awesome. Why am I speaking of that? That would be awesome. My time's probably running out now. I honestly don't know, but that would just be awesome, guys, wouldn't it? Oh no, I have way more space in it. I just forgot. I deleted like a ton of shit. So I should have tons of space in it now. That sounds awesome. I could see lots of stuff. What is it? Oh, not being able to see through windows. Oh gosh, I'm crashes. God damn it. I've said no one forgets what the stupid wheel is. So I'll just look for the solid ones then. There's really no downside to this. Oh! Oh! Solid windows! Oh! Don't know what I'm doing with them. It is transparent. Oh, transparent object, e.g. not air. Obviously not air. Nope. Air is invisible. It's all about, oh, I can feel the air. I can feel the air. 46 years ago, holy shit. It's got covers the object. Oh, I don't know what to do with reading your comics. Actually, is this the second video of today? Yeah. I don't know what to do with reading comics part 2 next. Or get out of hell. Which is behind me right there. Somewhere. That's it. Yeah, on that TV. I'll probably do reading your comments part 2. I can't find enough comments. And yeah, I'll probably have to do... It's a good one. Probably have to do Garth How gameplay. Rape culture and racism, homophobia cease to exist. People who condone these issues die. Fuck. I will not. Oh fuck. A better with a button. Things that I could not stand the thought of all. And I'm not close to Donald Trump. Donald Trump would so for the fire. Don't say no. You know what, I'm gonna say that's a good one, but I confess I would not. There's a lot of things go bad. I'm not hit, I swear. Everyone in the world gets all their wishes fulfilled. Everyone is being mind controlled. It's all happening inside a simulation which one cannot escape from alive. And you are the only one aware of this. Oh, does see no downside. Matrix, so St. Joe's IV, exactly. Exactly what I was thinking. St. Joe's IV, Matrix. A lot of paradoxes, yeah. Good. You can be part of the Cullen family, but you have to become a family. Fuck yeah, no downside. Oh shit, I went back now. Oh, it's changed now. Or has it? Right. Yeah, it changes. Oh, quite, will it change again? Sorry. We got a fancy suit that will make you lucky when you wear the full set. A fedora is included in this. No downside. I love a nice fedora. I love fedora. Adorable. Fedorable. Haha. Oh my god. Boom. Fucking love it. These are all comments, by the way, guys. You could walk on water, but you could not drink it or use it. Example shot. Oh. You die. So I will not. I die. Yeah. Water. Oh. Oh, so there's a sec. You could actually sing. Oh, that's interesting. That's a good one. You will have the power to control time. Everything you eat will taste like whack crackers for the rest of your life. No downside. I don't know anymore. Can I go back in time? Because I didn't push it. Wow. That is good. You can just eat more stuff and go back. That's fucking good. That's clever. It's going on for quite a while. Put it in a long video. Live in any fiction. Oh, what's that? Oh, no, it's on Facebook actually. You will live in any fictional world or dimension. Your land or of the people knows you destroyed their hopes and dreams. And until I it's right inside of you. Inside of your mind, sorry. No, I will not press the button. And with that, guys, that was the last. That is the last video right there. I love it. Oh, God, my eyes actually want. Everybody unconditionally loves you. Have a highly conditioned. So the people you would turn into. You know, anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace, guys. Love you.